Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use VLOOKUP in Excel. So to use VLOOKUP in Excel, I have created this table over here and we will find out the row ID of row ID 2129 revenue by using VLOOKUP. So to use this, first of all, I have to type equal to VLOOK lookup, press tab, and here is the lookup value. So the lookup value will be this row ID. I will click here and I'll press comma and table array. So in this I will select the table here like this and press comma and column index in which the row ID is like revenue is there. So I will select 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 will be the column index. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and comma. Here it is giving me range lookup. So here I will select true for approximate match, false for exact match. So I will select false. I will select 2 here like this, false, and I'll press enter. Here you can see 2.394. Here you can see 2129 here. Here it is. I'll mark this. You can see, and the revenue is 2.394. Got it? And here we will calculate the profit by using VLOOKUP. So equal to VLOOK lookup tab, lookup value is this, comma, table array. I'll select whole table like this, comma, profit. Profit is in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8, and I will select false here and press enter. Here you can see again it is minus 6.3441. So this is the way you can use VLOOKUP in Excel. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.